Hi, thank you for tuning in. My name is Dion and this is Puss Puss. We're crazy coupon cravers. She hasn't been in a video for a while, so say hi Puss Puss. I give this video 2 paws up. I was going to try to put the cowboy outfit on, but she had no part in it. She didn't want it. But she misses me and I'm very happy to be home so I could spend some time with her. But I've been spending a lot of time at my mom's, so I haven't been able to spend as much time with Puss Puss as I would like to. But we ended up going to Walgreens. We ended up getting the Unstoppable. These are 4 for $9, and then you can mix and match. The Downy is 4 for $9, and then you can buy the Downy softener. You can buy the dryer sheets, or you can also buy the pods, and they're 4 for $9. I ended up buying the Garnier Fructis. These are 2 for $8. I ended up having a $3 digital, and then I got $4 back, so it makes it 50 cents a piece, so I bought 2 of them. I ended up buying the Gain. They are $5.49 a piece. If you buy 3 of them, you get $5 in Walgreens register rewards. And I ended up buying 3 of them, and I ended up, you want to go? You want to go? I ended up having a $1 digital for this one, and then I had a $1 digital for this, so that's a great deal. So it makes it about $3.12 for all 3 of them, for each one of them. So that's a great deal. I ended up going and getting 3 Olay. You only have to buy 2, and then if you buy 2 of them, they're $7 a piece, and then you get a $5 register reward. And I also submitted it to IBOTTA for $5 back for all 3 of them. Okay, you want to go? Okay. Say bye. I give this video 2 paws up. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Say hi. Hi. So, but I ended up submitting it to IBOTTA, and I got $5 back from IBOTTA, and then I also will submit it to P&G Rewards, and I'll get $5 Visa gift card. So I'm excited about that. And I ended up, I guess that's all I got. So that was my haul. It wasn't very big because I tried to hurry up so I could do this video and go back to my mom's. So, but I thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you guys, and just thank you for everything you do. And thank you for all your support. And Puss Puss says, thank you for tuning in. And she's happy to see you all. So, but thank you guys. I appreciate you. And I hope you give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to put it down below. And thank you for tuning in. God bless you. And I give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.